Hi, welcome to dataset generation by using the probability distribution. Here, uh, the dataset can be generated by using the different probability distribution approaches. So here I am going to use normal distribution to generate the data set. Here the normal distribution is used to generate the thousand number of samples for the data set. So thousand number of rows will be generated, and here after generation of this data set, so now I am executing the packages so generated after generation. If you want to check the length of data set, we can check it. Length of data set is now 1000 samples. So the data set is having 1000 samples. Now we can visualize that data set by using the histogram. We are visualizing the data samples available in the data set. All the 1000 samples will be included in the 25 number of bins. 25 number of bins. Once you are executing, you will get the all the 1000 data samples are displayed in the given histograms. So here the peak point is, this is the mean value, and there is standard deviations on the positive side +3, and on negative side also -3. So data samples are distributed in this manner. And suppose if I want to make this all 1000 samples into only 5 number of bins. So here we are using 25 number of bins. Here I want to use only 5 bins to visualize the data in histogram. So all 1000 data samples are included inside the these 5 bins, only with the 5 bins. Though this is the bin which is having the peak value. So this is mean. Okay, these are the data around the mean. Then if I want to generate data from two different distributions, here I am creating a data set with the mean value is 10 and the standard deviation is 3 for 5000 number of samples. So single data set is having 5000 samples. The name of the data set is dataset 1. Then I am creating dataset 2 using the normal distribution. Here the mean value is 20 and standard deviation is 3, but I am creating 10,000 number of samples. So 10,000 number of samples in dataset 2 and 10,000 5,000 number of samples from dataset 1. I want to combine both dataset samples. So this is distribution with mean 10 and the standard deviation 3. Here different distribution with mean 20, standard deviation 3. So now we are having two data distribution samples. I want to combine both. For that we need the H stack method to combine two different data sets. Then I made it as a variable data set. Now totally we are having 15,000 samples which are available in this data set. Okay, suppose if you want to check this, now we can check the length of the data set. So length of the data set, we can print it now. So length of the data set, now it will be 15,000. So 15,000 samples are there. Now I want to visualize that all the 15,000 samples in 50 number of bins. So here you see I am using 50 number of bins to visualize this data. Here two distributions. One distribution is mean value with 10. So here you look at that, the data which is having mean value with 10, and another distribution is mean is 20. So that's why we are having two number of peaks. Okay, this is peak number 1 here above the 10, and here 20. So mean 20, you look at that, mean 10 you are having one peak, mean 20 one peak. So that's what we have assigned here. So mean 10 one peak, mean 20 one peak. So this is the way to generate the data by using probability distribution. Thanks for watching.